Hello, beautiful souls. You're doing the work. You're meditating. You're reading the books. You're doing the exercises. You're really checking in with the mind and the heart, and you're listening and you're doing the work. And it could also be just a little bit easier. I'm doing a workshop, a Soul's Purpose workshop with a dear friend and amazing coach, David Strauss. And it's this Saturday in Los Angeles at the Lameda Institute. It's a gorgeous space. It's going to be an incredible energy. David's technique is so cool because we know the big etherical stuff, and he knows it too. And we know how to ground it the way that Dr. Peebles and plenty of other people talk about. And David does it too in such a beautiful way that in about 20 minutes, you can get to a statement that is your soul's purpose that will light you up like an epiphany inside of you. And then you can connect that back to every single thing that you're doing. You can take that into your meditations, you can take it into your relationships, you can take it into your financial work, you can take it into your creativity. It's amazing how this tethers into every single spoke of the wheel, as Dr. Peebles says. I really encourage you, if this resonates with you, leap. Today is the last day to get the early bird pricing. It's this Saturday, 26th, Los Angeles. It's gonna rock your world, I promise you. The work that he's been doing, as when I first started to do it, I was like, this is amazing. This is the most perfect little thing, and it's boom, done. And it takes everything else to a new level. I really encourage you, if it resonates with you guys, I'd love to see you there. So much love to you. You're doing amazing work. I'm so proud of you guys. I love you. Thanks for being with me on this journey.